Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to find your referral code on GCash app. Right, so first of all let's open up our application. Now tap on those three lines on the top left to bring up the settings menu. Alright, as you can see we have now the function and option refer friends. So this is going to be your referral section, and that's where you can actually browse your referral codes. So let's press on that. Right, and here basically as you can see we have our refer your friends and earn rewards section. And what you need to do here is basically send the referral code in a different way that you prefer, for example to the Facebook Messenger, by SMS, by using your actual cellular data and your SIM card, share the QR code, or you can also press on more options and send your referral link to anyone that you want. So depending on what you like, press on any of the buttons and you will be able to have your referral code. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I will see you in the next one.